day I made decision to show you how to make some traditional Serbian salad. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, subscribe my channel, and what to say, see you next time. Hello everybody, I'm Dalibor. Welcome to Dalibor Soulfood channel. Today I'm gonna show ne trebam da kažem na svom jeziku, vjerovatno svi iz ex-Jugoslavije znaju da naprave ove salate u Belgiji. I just say in my language, I don't need to say in my language in this video anything because people from my country, most people know to make these salads. Today I'm gonna show you how I make the different salads. This is gonna be the first one. I just washed the paprika. I put them here in this pot is ready for baking. We're gonna bake them until it's gonna be complete skin black. Then I'm gonna just turn around after maybe 20 minutes when it's black. Then we're gonna put in some pot to cover, and then later to peel the paprika and then to make with the vinegar and oil this kind of salad. This is gonna be the last one, but I'm gonna put first this paprika in oven, and then I have a time for the other two. I cut one piece from the cabbage, fresh cabbage. I'm gonna make cabbage salad also. It's very simple, easy salad, salt and vinegar and oil. And then I'm gonna show you some mixed third salad with paprika, tomatoes, cucumber, how you say cucumber on Flemish, yeah, in Belgium. I need one lemon, feta cheese, salt and oil, not without vinegar. Like I say, first I'm gonna put paprika in oven just to bake this paprika, and then we have a time to make these two salads until this is ready. Direct in oven. Okay, 220, 230 degrees. You are not gonna make mistake. Make little space here. Let's see what I need to do first. Okay, first I'm gonna do this mixed salad. What we need? We'll take one pot. I'm just gonna peel this. Cut from the side. We're gonna peel the krastavac cucumber, how you say on English. Forget when you need to use three different languages, then is okay. Very easy. There is already these tomatoes here. We have a different big one, small one. Normally small one you can cut just on the half direct in a pot. I like to use the mixed and small one, and big one is up to you. If you like cherry tomatoes or just regular, is up to you. Direct inside. This one. Direct. Good. It's very fast. This salad you can make really. Only this in oven you need little to wait, but actually all the three you don't need too much time to make. Like you see, this one I cut on the half, then on the half you can just cut them like this. Okay, this is also ready. These three salads really you can eat with everything. Doesn't matter, summer, winter, barbecue, comfort food, inside, outside, what you like to make. All the three is very good. Okay, this is also got it. Third one, last one, paprika. Push just this inside with the fingers. Open paprika like this. Remove everything outside. This side also. We don't need a pit in the salad. And just cut paprika how you like. I washed also this paprika before with other vegetables. You can just cut in small pieces, cubes, how you like. I like to be like this. For me, it don't need to be every piece perfect for this salad. Paprika is top. I like paprika in Belgium, really. It's good taste. Ja, isečemo posljednju, the last piece of these vegetables for this salad. This is very simple. You can always put this salad in the fridge cover and use, and tomorrow also. Especially this one, if it's a summer, is top. Now we need a half lemon or 1 lemon, is up to you. You can add a little and to see if it's good. Normally them oil, sunflower oil I like to use for my salad, not olive oil. This is what I like in this salad. Some people is using the olive oil, but for me this is a strong taste for this salad, and I like to be like this. Salt, lemon. I'm gonna start with this. I'm gonna just shake it with my hands like this. Now feta cheese. Just take the feta cheese and broke like this. If it's a smaller pieces or bigger pieces, doesn't matter. My first salad is ready. Just a moment, I'm gonna show you. And then I'm gonna clean my working table. It's going very fast. This is my first salad. Oh, if you can see, probably, yes, like this. This is my first salad. I'm going to clean now my working table, and we are coming back to make a second one. Okay, like you can see, I just cleaned my working table. First salad is ready. I just take now cabbage. You need something like this, and just pass with the cabbage. It's going very fast. Oops, take a little better. Other way, I'm gonna stay without finger. This is very sharp. This is also going very fast. If you want to make this salad, fresh cabbage, some tools like this, and gas. Okay, these 2, 3 are gonna move, make me a little problem, and it's more easy without them. For this salad, we just need salt and vinegar and oil. Okay. It's inside some bigger pieces like this. I'm gonna remove them, just put here on the side. But normally when you pass, it's going like this to be. This is ready. Now also salt, oil, but this salad like the oil. and vinegar. First add little, take with the hands, shake, because this salad is always better if you make this salad. First make salad, and if it's possible, if you have a time, put salad in the fridge to rest little for 1 hour. Something like this taste is much better than later. Than like if you direct make the salad and you eat. Okay, I just removed the paprika outside from the oven. Now when it's black like this, you can just turn around. Downside is also good. Just turn around a little like this. It's gonna be enough. Like this. This one. Just back in oven for maybe 10-15 minutes until it's black here. And then you're gonna just put the paprika in some pot and cover with a lid and keep like this few minutes, and then it's gonna be more easy to remove the skin. Okay, now we are going back in oven. Here, in this spot, rest little, see how it's flowing the water. Yeah, just now what I saw, I forget to put my microphone and probably you didn't hear. I just removed the paprika outside from oven and also here because we are back. This is now. Yeah, first to say one more time sorry because yeah, last time I just when I removed the paprika outside, I moved my microphone because it was on a shirt and I just put this shirt down. It was warm here and I stay in t-shirt and then actually was microphone on other one. Sorry one more time if you didn't hear good, but now it's really very simple, like to remove all these things and to peel, or how to say it, to remove the skin is going very easy. You can see I'm just gonna do it one, and then yeah, later when I clean complete everything, then we are coming back. What is important when you do this, just don't wash the paprika. If you now from this point, if you're gonna wash with the water, you're gonna remove complete the taste of flavor, how you say. Some people is doing this if you stay here some pit or something. Mnogi kad ostanu koštice uzmu i operu papriku. Kad operete papriku, sperete kompletan njen ukus. Just do like this and remove here. And then we're gonna do, okay, I take the second half from from the same paprika. If you need a knife to use, then always put some small knife next to you like this. But this one is going very easy. We'll see if I need to use the knife or not. Still is a warm, actually more than warm. But I can keep this paprika in my hand. It's not so hot now. Anyway, we need this paprika to be cold. If, for example, if we eat this paprika like the salad, normally first you're gonna now clean everything and then to wait to be complete cold to add some people add lemon juice and oil. Some people add vinegar and oil, and normally salt is up to you. I like to add both. Depends, sometimes this, sometimes that. Sometimes I put little lemon juice, little vinegar, doesn't matter. But you can create taste how you like. About taste is a stupid discussion. Okay, one more bit is here. Yeah, okay people, my paprika is ready. I just peeled the paprika and it looks like this. Just what we need now is up to you also. I like to add just sunflower oil in this salad. You can add the salt. You can add vinegar or lemon juice or both, or just is up to you. I'm just gonna add now salt. to add now the lemon juice, and I'm just gonna shake this complete like this. This salad is really good if you just bake in your oven, not too much job. Put in a pot, wait for 20-30 minutes, then open. Remove the skin, or how to say, peel the paprika. Also remove the pit and just add some oil, salt, and vinegar or lemon juice. This salad is, if you ask me, ready. People, like I say, my 3 Serbian side dishes are ready. I show you in this video how I make this is some kind of Serbian salad what we use there. I think actually in ex-Yugoslavia many people make the same similar salad. In this one where I use the tomato, cucumber and paprika with the cheese and lemon juice, salt and oil. Some people also here add onion, fresh onion is also variation. This is the fresh cabbage. This is I bake this paprika in oven, and then I just put a little lemon juice, oil and salt. Some people also, when it's now like this on the plate, is put a little garlic and parsley also. Is make it like some dressing with a little oil. But this is my option, and I just think is more than good for me to make the salad like this. This one with the feta, really perfect, fresh salad, top taste, the fresh cabbage. Also, my wife is crazy for this salad. And the last one is my favorite salad. Paprika, bake in oven, and to peel this skin, to remove the pit, and just to add a little lemon or vinegar with the oil and salt. Some people like with the garlic and parsley. And that's all. This is my video for this time. I'm not gonna cook some food, and it's always like about meat and everything. Today I made decision to show you how to make some traditional Serbian salad. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, subscribe my channel, and what to say, see you next time.